Okay, back to the ball game. Batman, bundak. Midawag sa game 1 ang team Bulinawan. O midawag sa game 2 ang team Toyom. Kini decision na ni mga boards. The winner of this one will fight team Valladolid for the championship match. 2-0 na. Point, 3-0 na, 3-0. And the loser of this one is the third. Will receive the third prize of the 1D League. Enter Barangay here in City of Karkar. Service Ulal. Point, 1-3 na, 1-3.
1-3. Lead by Barangay Tuyo. Now serving Barangay.
Servicio Lyle. Out ball. Dos. Tres, 2-3. Gini para igualis na. Kangkang. Tulail. Batman, answer by Rigi. Ay. Side out.
Ang bola, mga bola sa stage, nakoy na ang bola. Decision game. Now serving, Barangay Tuyo. Gap.
Lakariha, Rigi. Rigi again.
Slow.
Tutong.
Hala, pakwara.
4. 4-2.
Lead by Barangay Tuyo.
Servicio Dawin. Net back. 4-2. Bola sa team Bulinawan.
Now serving, Barangay Bulinawan. Good.
Servicio Totong. Wait, 3-2 na, 3-2.
Lead by Barangay Tuyo. Now serving, Barangay Bulinawan.
Totong firing. Totong again. Win, 4 igualis na. The champion of this 1D League will receive 5K. And the second to the champion will receive 3K.
In favor of A.
And 2K for the third.
Now serving, Barangay Tuyo.
4 igualis.
4-all.
Servicio Kangkang. Lyle, ay. Nice defense coming from Lyle pa din. Tukot si Kangkang. Igualis 4 lang yapon. Side out Bula sa team Bulinawan. Kinsa kay makasuda ni para mo-advance sa championship round. Bulinawan ba o team Tuyom? Ay, pukot si Lyle. Side out. Servicio Batman. Totong. Kangkang firing. Good item.
Now serving, Barangay Tuyo.
5-4 na, 5-4.
Now serving, Barangay Tuyo.
5-4, Servicio Batman. Batman again. Out ball.
Side out.
5-4.
5-4. Lead by Barangay Tuyo. Now serving, Barangay Bulinawan.
Servicio Lyle.
Point wala.
Win. 5 ball.
Score 5-all in favor of Ace Nagbuta. Ace Nagbuta.
Servicio Lyle.
Inside.
Inside.
Side out.
5 ball. Bola sa team Tuyom.
Shot out, John Lloyd Manrul. Now serving, Barangay Tuyo.
Totong. To the win. Netbag. Size 5.
Score 5-6. Lead by Barangay Tulong. Check court. Decision making. Patok, you can shoot.
Service the win. Batman.
Patay ko na.
Wait.
Score.
City.
7-5.
5. 2-point lead in favor of Team Tuyong. Totong. Tokangkang. Answer by Lyle. The win. Firing. Batman struggling. Wala. Team Tuyong. Bulinawan. Boring in. Kokot si Kangkang. Siya gets Batman. Sagit-sagit. 5 City in favor of Team Tuyong. Team Batman the win Kangkang. Batman again. La. Away. Servisyo Kangkang. Kangkang again. Out ball.
Side out. Good. Okay, ball, go. Score. 7-5. Lead by Barangay Tulong. Home of Light.
Bola sa Team Bulinawan. 5 City. Labaw 2 ka puntos ang Team Tuyong. Servisyo Rigi. Kangkang. Rigi namungot na. Padpads Batman.
Score 7-6. Lead by Barangay Tulong. Ako nga mabuhay-buhay.
Sai City na, Sai City.
Lead by Barangay Tulong. Now serving.
Servisyo Rigi. Kangkang. Tolail. Kangkang again. La. The win. La kariha. Dapa. Batman segang. Bunal shot. Laki ni. Ay. Out si Lyle.
Score. Side out.
Side out.
Now serving. Barangay Tulong.
Servisyo Batman.
Bunal ni Papa. May hubog-hubog. Score 8-6. Lead by Barangay Tulong.
Sai Sotso. Batman. Totong. Batman again. Gibundakag. Lah. Bat. Inside.
Side out by
Anugo na sa attacking Batman ay.
Now serving. Barangay Tulong.
Sai Sotso Sai Sotso.
6.
In favor of Team Tuyong. Service Lyle. Out ball. City 8.
8-7. Lead by Barangay Tulong. Check. Joseph. Stop. Mapindot.
Service Lyle. Kangkang. Tulail. Wait, iguales 8 na. Last 4.
In favor of A. Asay ng Sarina. Hubog-hubog. Now serving.
Okay, iguales 8. Service Lyle of Team Bulinawan. Kangkang. Tong. Bombing. Pasok. 9-8 na. 9-8. Last 3 na ang Team Bulinawan. Okay, back to the ball game. Last 3 na ang Team Bulinawan. Tungtung tagak na option. Wah, kakuas Batman. Jeez! 8 na, Jeez 8.
Bulinawan, now 7.
Jeez 8, kinip para 11. Outball! Para naog na. 11-8.
11-8. Lead by Barangay Bulinawan. Now serving Barangay Bulinawan.
Salamat ni Kapitan diri ni diri sa Poblasyon 2 si Kapitan Wasawas. Para midaog ang team Bulinawan, sila ang fight sa championship against Valladolid.
Picture taking.